this solemnly affirm in the name of the Almighty Allah that I shall faithfully exercise the function of the Mayor of Jinja City Council and shall uphold and preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and observe the laws of Uganda, and that I shall promote the welfare of the people of Jinja City Council. So help me Allah.